Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, ito yung ating almost daily love reading for Libra. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. Kung gusto mo magpo-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, i-search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. And, yeah, meron akong TikTok, guys. Pwede mo ako i-follow doon. Meron akong bagong item sa TikTok shop. Naka-promo siya ng $299 lang ngayon. May kasama ng astrological reading yung iyong bracelet, no, which is an evil eye bracelet. You might want to check it out. So again, this is for Libra sign, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Check mo yung iyong natal chart. Two of Swords, King of Pentacles, and the Queen of Wands. Kunin ko na rin yan sa side ng person mo, ha. Two of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, and the Queen of Cups. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the Lovers. Wow. Ano yung situation sa inyong dalawa? For the sign of Libra. Okay, situation, you do have here calling in your soulmate. Okay, this is actually magandang simula na nakikita natin dito. I feel like ngayon, meron ka mga decision na pwedeng ginagawa or kailangan gawin with regards to your professional life. Especially if you are nasa mataas na posisyon, a manager or boss, CEO, or maybe you do own a business, whether maliit lang or malaki. But I can see you na gumagawa ka ng mga major decision ngayon na pwedeng ito ay para sa ikabubuti ng lahat or ikauunlad mo palalo. I'm seeing with the Queen of Wands, either ikaw ito na nagbibigay ng mga advice sa iba with regard sa kanilang finances, or ikaw itong binibigyan ng advice ng mga taong ito, whoever these people are, na nakikita natin na pinakikinggan mo, no? Nakikita natin na marunong ka ng makinig ngayon pagdating sa kung ano yung suhestyon ng iba. And you do have the Two of Pentacles. This person, ikaw ang nakikita natin masaya siya sa'yo ngayon, sa connection niyo. There's this calling in your soulmate. So maybe, I don't know, you could be dealing with your soulmate. May soulmate tayo dito. Or maybe someone in the past life relationship. Pero nakikita natin na may magandang connection or communication sa inyong dalawa. The Ace of Cups, this is you. This is your person who has a lot of love and admiration sa'yo. Okay? And clarify the Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups, you do have your love yourself first. Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. And you do have your flirt. Okay. I don't know if this is your person or maybe you, no? Kasi some of you, this is you. Na pwedeng natutunang mas mahalin ngayon ang sarili. And because of this na ginagawa, na pagmamahal sa sarili, ngayon nagkaroon tayo ng parang pagmamagnet din ang pagmamahal papunta sa'yo. Okay? Wait lang, guys. Okay, so sorry about that. Anyway, nakikita natin yung dahil sa pagmamahal ay binibigay ninyo sa mga kanya-kanya ninyong sarili, nakikita natin na na-attract ninyo yung love or yung tamang tamang love para sa inyo. And I can see you here flirting and playfulness. So, nakita tayo dito na magandang connection, communication sa inyo ng taong ito. This could be a past person or a new person. Actually, it doesn't matter. Pero may soulmate energy dito. Wait lang, guys. There's this 10 of Pentacles. Hindi ko to napansin kanina, but I feel like this is a special message. So, I can see money money na magiging involved dito sa connection na ito. So, kung hindi pa involved yung money sa inyo, soon, may money na involvement sa inyong dalawa. Emotions sa isa't isa. Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, sorry. I just saw Virgo. I don't know. Could be dealing with the Virgo. But anyway. Two of Wands, Queen of Swords, King of Cups, ayan. Judgment, okay. Emotion, you do have your Nine of Cups. The Hanged Man and Page of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Devil. Mutual energy. Make the effort. Okay, so someone here is making the effort para mag-work out itong connection na ito. Sabi ko nga, whether bago or lumang connection, may gumagawa ng effort ngayon, kaya nagiging maganda eh. And some of you may mga iba pang options, but actually yung ibang option is like hindi masyadong binibigyan ng pansin sa ngayon. You are the Queen of Swords. Marami ka nang natutunan sa buhay mo. Alam mo yan, yung parang you are very mature person, no? And the Judgment is like yung learning sa buhay mo. And with regards to another connection, another relationship, nakikita natin kung ano ka na as a person at ano yung ini-expect mo sa isang relationship, ano yung kaya mong gawin, ano yung mga dapat mong tanggalin sa sarili mo. I feel like, Two of Wands and the Four of Wands, mas gusto mo nang magplano regarding sa something na stable in the future para sa buhay mo. So, dito sa person na ito, although hindi mo pa naman siya nakikitaan ng stability in the future, but I can definitely see na nagiging mature ka sa connection ninyong dalawa. Okay? Nakikita natin na unti-unti mong ginagawa yung mga steps na dapat mong gawin para mas lalo mo siya makilala or lalo kanyang makilala. Or maybe, lalo niyang makilala ang sarili niya. This person with the Hanged Man is waiting for something, maybe an offer or sa ngayon, parang ini-enjoy niya lang din muna kung anong connection na meron sa inyong dalawa. So, what will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa? You do have the Death card, the Six of Wands, King of Wands, Queen of Pentacles. So, I can definitely a lot of mature person sa side mo. Ayan, the World, and the Ace of Pentacles. Alam mo yung pagiging mature mo, hindi lang yun dahil, ginusto mo lang or ganyan ka na talaga. The way I see this is may lesson kang natutunan bago ka maging ganyan, bago ka maging mature. Maybe emotionally. This person, so magsimula tayo sa side mo. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Cups. Mutual energy in the future para sa mga Libra. Dalawa yung kukunin. Actually, I feel 3 dapat. Ayan. Tatlo nga yung lumabas. Release your ex. You do have here. Pay attention to the red flags. And you do have your very soon. Okay. Nakakita tayo ng in the future, you will be focusing, sabi ko nga, ngayon pa lang kung ano yung tingin mo magbibigay ng stability para sa'yo. Ito yung mas pinagpo-focusan mo. I can see a new beginning para sa'yo, especially with regards sa mga foreign thing, like foreign connections, foreign people. Yan. Nakakita tayo ng ganyan. So, medyo nagbe-benefit ka dito. I do like how you handle or how you show yourself to the world in the near future. Nakikita natin yung pagiging stable mo, grounded mo as a person. And there's a decision na kailangan mong gawin in the future. Maybe it has something to do with the person na parang kailangan mong i-cut off sa buhay mo. Whether this has something to do with career, relationship, or other people in your life na pwedeng nakakakita ka na ng mga red flags. Kailangan mo maging matalino. You are already matalino actually. But maybe how to cut these people off. Kailangan mo ng katalinuhan with regards to that, kung paano mo siya gagawain. And I can see this person, especially with the Four of Cups, kung parang hindi ka na sure kasi puro problema na lang ang ibinibigay sa'yo ng taong ito. Sabi ko nga, whether ito may kinalaman sa career or love, whatever, you do have here the Empress. So, nakikita natin yung pagmamahal mo sa iyong sarili. This is you taking care of yourself, self-love, self-care, and being happier. So, dahil dyan sa kung paano ka mag-isip and paano mo dalhin ang iyong sarili, mas na-attract mo itong success sa buhay mo. Yan. And I feel like the universe is giving you this success. Pero kailangan mo na gumawa ng changes sa buhay mo. And that is what you're making here in the future. Na gumagawa ka ng pagbabago sa buhay mo. And I feel like yung pagbabago is for the better. Pagdating sa person na ito in the future, there's the Hermit. Yan, that's Virgo energy. I can see a person na pwedeng hindi siya magsasalita regarding sa kung ano yung plano niya, ano yung gusto niya mangyari. But this person, magugulat ka na lang na bigla siyang dadating sa buhay mo, and like, I feel like a person taking a risk. Pero, of course, there's a chance sa connection na ito. Pero, I can see a lot of chemistry sa inyong dalawa. But, pwedeng isa sa nagiging dahilan kung bakit hindi siya maging open pa agad-agad because of the deception. Maybe there's someone here na parang hindi kayang maging open, especially if there's children na involved. You do have your children. Where is that? Ito. So, pwedeng ito yung nakaka-apekto. So, parang itong person na ito, dadating siya sa buhay mo, pero pwedeng dahil sa children, so I don't know if you have already a child, or itong person mo, kung may anak ba siya or what. But, this would be the reason kung bakit pwedeng hindi siya magiging open muna. Pero nakikita natin yung pagtitake niya ng risk. When I say magtitake siya ng risk, may mga actions. Pero hindi agad magiging open pagdating sa kanyang emotions. But definitely, mag-work out itong connection na ito kasi you are taking care of yourself and you are the world. You are the person na wala ka nang hinahanap actually. Ina-attract mo na lang yung mga bagay na dapat talagang mapunta sa'yo. And you deserve love and love is coming. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.